Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fur text using prompt in Photoshop Beta. And also, we will dive deeper into using select all, using generative fill with a partner model Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana, and using specific descriptive prompt. Now let's get started. So here in our document, I prepared here a clear canvas. And yes, our goal here is to create a fur text using prompt. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to select all. So to do that, press Ctrl or Command plus A. There you go. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Now let's use the generative fill. So there are two ways to use generative fill. One is you can use the contextual taskbar. And yeah, but I suggest for longer prompts, you can use the generative fill window. So for the generative fill window, you can just go to the menu bar, go to edit, then choose on generative fill. Yes, this window will appear. And then we can already start typing down our prompt. Well, I'm going to type down here, make a text. Then I'm going to type an apostrophe here. And then let's type the kind of text you want. It's either a sentence or just a word. Well, in my case, I'm going to type down our channel name, Doodle Royalty. There you go. And then another apostrophe here, right? Then comma. Then I'm going to type this long prompt here. Make a text Doodle Royalty. Apply detailed shaggy fur texture with varying strand lengths and natural clumping. Yeah, the fur should be predominantly warm, reddish, orange-brown with lighter tips and slightly darker roots for depths. Ensure individual fur strands are visible and not just flat texture. Yes, this is the prompt. By the way, for this prompt, I'm going to type down it on our description here in our... If there are colors, you can just change the prompt, all right? So for example, you want here, instead of reddish to orange-brown, you can just type down here, let's say tan to orange, then brown. Yeah, just like that, all right? Then once you're good with it, you can go in here, click on this icon, and then we're going to make use here the partner model Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana. And after that, everything's set, we can already start generating the image. And once I did that, you can see that on our layers panel, it created a new generative layer. But that's just fine, but you can already see here the outcome. As you have noticed here, this is the word Doodle Royalty. And yes, it has this detailedly shaggy fur texture effect on it. All right, so if you're not satisfied with it, you can just go and generate it once again. So yes, you can now use the contextual taskbar or the properties panel to click generate. So let's go here in the contextual taskbar, click generate for another variation. There you go. So here's another one. Now this one is added with some shadows behind it. All right, so keep on generating until you meet the best quality result. And there you have it. And that is how to make fur text using prompt in Photoshop Beta.